You. What have you been up? What have you been up to?
Same old crap every day.
Okay.
Did you plant any geraniums yet?
I don't have money for geraniums.
Well, we might have to go get you some geraniums.
Is that your go-to? You always plant geraniums?
My mother had a blessed mother, and she always had it facing the house.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh, a statue?
I always used to, yeah, the statue. I brought that all the way back from Detroit.
I didn't know that was hers.
That was my mother's.
Wow. So Bobshi?
No,
No.
that was my mother.
Who's Bobshi?
Was
Grandpa's mom
was
or mother's mother?
It was his mother.
Oh, okay. Well, regardless, that thing's old. That thing's old. Because you're old. Well, she is. She just doesn't look it.
Oh, relative.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna have it repainted.
Mm-hmm. You know who
Yep.
could repaint it for you? Crystal. She does a really good job. She did that for me. For Christmas, she painted me a toy house thing. Could be.
So do you then generally plant the geraniums around the statue? Is that
Yeah.
where that comes?
Always red. So did your mom always do red? So that's why you do red?
She always had the statue facing the kitchen door. Yeah, you just never know. Whoopee, I'm going up there.
It's Free Valley Fair ride.
Kind of like a...
I'm going way up to heaven.
Not yet, please. Not while you're in my office.
Bert? Don't hurt her.
Well, you let me know if I'm hurting you.
What should she do, kick you?
Tell me. I'd much rather you tell me than kick me. Much more effective. Oh, good. It's good that you found a chiropractor who wouldn't do it anyway.
And then she said that I had an aneurysm in my aorta.
The chiropractor said that?
Yeah, and I went to my own doctor, and they did that test on me,
Yeah.
and he called me. He says, Francis, there's nothing wrong with your aorta.
How did a chiropractor diagnose an
They
aneurysm?
sent her for a plain x-ray of her back,
Mhm.
and there was something suspicious, but they said they wanted to make sure it wasn't this,
Oh, okay.
and then had her go to Dr. Bill, which
To who?
isn't your family doctor?
Yeah.
Okay. So they thought they saw something that could have been, and then you followed up on it, and it was fine.
Yep.
Okay.
It was nothing. He's Francis. I got good news for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Well, that's different from diagnosing you with one.
Yeah.
So good. Because sometimes that is how you catch them,
Yep.
you know?
Sometimes things are just found by accident.
I found $5 in my coat pocket. Does that count? That was by accident.
That would be fun.
You getting all the cute people?
What cute people?
The ones all here.
Oh.
We could have brought the whole bunch in here.
I get Cassie and we'd have us all.
We could bring the guy in here and everything. Isn't there a guy here?
Oh, yeah, the other doctor, he's not, yeah, he left for the day.
Oh. Was too bad because he's missing a lot of fun today.
Yes.
Missing a lot of fun. Got it.
Yeah.
Well, we try to have fun.
That's what life is, to have fun.
Exactly. So what do you do for fun?
Hi.
What do you do for fun? What do you do to have fun?
What I do to have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, talk to people and tell them a lot of stuff, and they tell me a lot of stuff, and
All of it
Wait.
true, right?
some of it ain't. Some of it isn't.
Grandma
So
can
no,
talk on
they-
the phone with the
They're
best
not
of them.
gonna say that they're all good. No way. What are you gonna do with these?
Well, I have found that people look at them on the internet.
Oh,
And so that's why we don't put names or faces on them. But there's a lot of people who are interested in seeing how we do this. So,
well, that's good.
Do people with nails like this ever come in and have them like all painted?
by me?
No, I'm just saying in general. Like,
Sure.
are there? I'm thinking that could be my volunteering. I could just hang out and be like, "Oh, would you like your toenails painted now that you've?"
Well, I'll tell you what, there are many times that we've thought about having a pedicurist here. And the time just hasn't been right to do it. So that people, because I make them short, I make them comfortable, but not necessarily beautiful. And so that would be what a pedicurist could do.
Yep. I always wondered if I went in if they would give me a 60% discount.
Oh,
I only have 4 toes. I shouldn't have to
yeah,
pay full price.
they'll give you a discount.
I think there is somebody who gets their nails done and they have their toes missing, and they do get a discount. But I can't remember where I heard it.
Look pretty good, huh?
They do. Everything looks,
No sores in between the toes.
no sores, no
Woo-hoo.
potatoes, no puppy dogs.
Yay, Grandma!
I say to the kids. Yep. All right, so everything looks good, and we'll see you back in another couple months. Okay?
Okay, anytime you want me here, I'll be here.
Sounds good. Okay.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.
I'm a retired Army veteran, and I lost 10 pounds, and I feel great. All that stuff on the shelf I've tried, but this actually really works.
All right. You love your Meta 7, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just got another bottle.
Good deal. Let me ask you this. Now, you said your wife's taking it too.
Yeah, my wife started taking my medication, and I'm out early, so I have to get another one.
She likes it as well.
Yes, my wife loves it.
Awesome.
She's on board.
Doesn't make you jittery or shaky or anything like that?
Not at all. It gives you energy that you need to get through the day.
Fantastic. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're gonna love it. Try it.